Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I just made a video, and while it was loading, I started playing around with this, and I made it mathematically easy. So I made an oval 11 by 4, and if you wanted another ellipse even all the way around, you can do that mathematically. Control D and make a duplicate, and let's make it 11.5, and I've got my ratio unlocked by 4.5. Now I've got a 1/4 inch boundary all the way around, and it's even. So if you did it 12 inches by 5, you'd have a 1/2 inch line around everything, and it would be even. Let's just use the parallel dimension tool. Got to prove a point. 0.5, 0.5. Anyway, just another way if you do not want to use the contour tool. Now, with that said, I did pick one that was mathematically even. Let's make this 11.77, and let's make it 4.26. Well, all you have to do is Control D and make a duplicate, and right here, take away the inch sign and add 0.5. Click, take away the inside. I don't really know that matters. Plus 0.05. Well, I'll give 0.05. Let's go back. Let's go 11 plus 0.5 plus 0.5. And now you have a 1/2 inch bigger, or really a 1/4 inch on both sides, because you just added a 1/2 inch. So if if it's mathematically not even like I had before, you can always use math in your box. I mean, you can make this any size you want. Let's try it without removing the inch sign. Plus 1 inch, and it worked. You don't have to remove that. So now you've got one even. Hope that helped a little bit.